How airplanes stay in the air. Wings create a pressure difference. Wing shape causes air to move faster over the top than over the bottom. Faster air equals lower pressure, Bernoulli's principle. Higher pressure below the wing pushes up. This creates lift. As the plane moves forward, its wings generate enough lift to overcome gravity. The engine provides forward thrust. Wing angle, angle of attack, affects lift. Too steep equals stall, not enough lift. Physics keeps planes flying. Pressure differential defeats gravity.